Good morning, ma'am. I am Shamar Glex Bermasanda from BSN1 RM, and this is vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that has many important functions of our body. The main function of vitamin C is a biosynthesis of collagen by increasing its expression. In addition, vitamin C helps maintain the normal structure of collagen by acting as cofactor of two essential enzymes, proline and lysines. Vitamin C also plays a role in absorption of iron, especially the fraction of iron derived from plant food sources. Vitamin C essentially requires the regulation of neurotransmitter norepinephrine, epinephrine. Additionally, vitamin C also plays a role in protein metabolism. Vitamin C contributes by immune defense by supporting various circulation function of both the innate and adaptive immune system. Moreover, vitamin C is a potent illnesses in the body and helps regulate other antioxidants such as vitamin E and vitamin C. Cannot be produced in the human body, however, it is readily available in many types of food. Citrus. Fruits are the best known source of erotic acid. Additionally, source of vitamin C include the following: red and green peppers, tomatoes, leafy green such as spinach and kale, guava and strawberries. They also produce vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage and cauliflower, white tomatoes and parsley. Increased intake of vitamin C has been reported to be beneficial for health. Some of these benefits include cancer prevention, prevention of cardiovascular disease, prevention of age-related macular degeneration of cataracts, prevention of common cold, improved wound healing, protection against infection, and improved body pressure. Control vitamin C deficiency leads to scurvy, as already mentioned. Humans are unable to produce vitamin C and therefore depends on dietary sources today. Scurvy is extremely rare because of improved food supplies, vitamin fortified foods, and vitamin supplements. However, it can occur in the population with poor diets. Other risk categories include the following: alcoholic individuals, people with type 1 diabetes who has a greater vitamin C requirements, infants who are fed only cow milk, smoker, people with eating disorders, people with gastrointestinal disorders such as inflammatory bowel disease, individual with iron overload which leads to wasting of vitamin C by the kidneys, and people who are on the very restrictive diet. Signs of scurvy include the following: poor wound healing, malaise, and fatigue. Bleeding gums, jungle, inflammatory, loss of teeth capillary, fragility with pacaya, oxys, and weight loss, iron deficiency, susceptibility, infection, muscular drugs, and dry skin, hair loss, and joint. That's all for today's video. Thank you for listening and watching.